I'd actually like to dedicate this video to a very special person in my heart. His name is Silver Goldman, whose awesome $300 charting software said Snap was going to do a massive turnaround when JSNIP4 said, no, it's not. Sell that turd.
Welcome back, traders, snackers, and truthers. Silver Goldman here, and we're Thursday, September 7th, 2017. So I received a few emails this morning. I guess you guys were watching last night's show, and you heard me say how I was waiting for the Snapchat to break over the 1454. You wouldn't believe it, this morning I didn't have it on my charts. I was not watching it, and I left my desk for about 20 minutes, and when I came back, this thing is roaring right back up here to the 1482 when I watched it, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to get in it now. I think it's, it's up at some previous resistance is what I was thinking. I'll wait for this to pull back. It never stopped. It just launched right up here, hit a high at 1557, having a little bit of a pullback. Oh man, am I ever kicking my ass here for not watching that one this morning. So congratulations to everyone that got in this one. I was mentioning this a while back. This is the JSNIP4 reverse indicator. It was on this day here when JSNIP4 told all his subscribers, Snapchat, piece of crap, blah, 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 blah. You all heard this shit before anyways. And this is where I said, guys, I'm getting in here. It was 1269. I said, I'm getting in. And yeah, we had that one pullback after what, it missed the numbers by a little bit, but we turned around immediately the next day. These are day candles. Every day, every candle represents a full day of trading, and blasted off. And I was telling you guys, okay, I'm taking profit on this. I believe she's coming down. We came back, and I was telling you guys, I'm waiting for the break over the 1454. Son of a gun, I missed it. And guys, this is looking really good. I'm going to get back in it. I'm just telling you right now, I'm going to wait here, see if she can come back a little bit today, and I'll get back in it. Looking at the MACD, see how the MACD's open right up? And I was telling you a basic rule with the MACDs. Every time when she breaks the previous highs, this one here, workout here, I said she'll probably go back, or not probably. The rule is usually when the MACD starts going in opposite direction, the price will eventually start following the MACD, and that's what's happening here. So I believe we're going to go back and close my initial target at 1692. We'll close that gap, and you can see she beats this previous high right here. So I have a feeling Snapchat is not the piece of crap that JSNIP4 was telling all his subscribers, and that's become very obvious to many of you. He's a paid pumper. He doesn't know anything about the stock market, never predicted a single stock market crash. He's been wrong about gold and silver for the last 6 years plus, wrong about the economy, always, it's always doom and gloom with that loser and the rest of them on YouTube. That's why I made that video a couple of days ago about the 400 YouTubers and websites that Google was warning you of. It happens to be the fraudsters that I'm calling out. Just about every single one of them is in that list. So, and you may have realized that JSNIP4, not his YouTube channel, but realistnews.net was in there, and that is controlled by JSNIP4. So good old Snippy here, guys. Oh man, the heat is on. Oh, it is so on. I don't even, at this point here, I think I gotta just sit back and watch the Gong Show unravel right on his own YouTube channel, right in his own comments. He's gonna have to ban and delete now like he's never done before. So he's out pumping now. He's back to pumping, and now, I mean, the shit's been turned on here. The heat's been turned on this guy, and I gotta come back here to the thumbs down, because this is something that I've lost the ability to thumb down videos, and we'll get into that shortly. So in his comment section, guys, I mean, they are hitting him up so hard here. When will you tell your subscribers you received the 30 Ether for this CDX promotion video? Good on you, man. I mean, these people are coming right out. His own subscribers. Look at JSNIP4 for a general idea of the ethics and transparency when doing sponsored videos. Watch the first 2 minutes of this. Pumping. I used to like this guy. Now he lost his plot. Yeah, well, you're not the only one. Everyone's figured out what's going on here. This is a paid commercial. This is on his own. These are the top comments on JSNIP4's own videos. Where are all his 50,000 subscribers? They should be in there defending him. They're not. They've turned on him. Like I said, now I'm watching what's happening is JSNIP4 is coming out now, and he's coming out to defend his own actions. See, there he is there. There he is there. Boom, boom, boom. He's in damage control. Major, major, major damage control. We've never seen JSNIP4 come out in his comment sections as much as he wants. People are even nailing him on the fact that he's bragging about making him all this money, yet he's out here asking him for donations. Again, after them buying him a golf cart. I can't believe it. Anyways, people are turning on him. Look at the comments. People are realizing what's going on here. I'll just go over very quickly to see any other ones he made. There he is again. Like I said, he is in damage control. Good old Snippy has got to continue on there. I wonder how much Snippy is getting out of this one. I think they're nailing him on his own comments, man. 100% pre-sale bonus extended. That's right. The 100% pre-sale bonus on that ICO has been extended. This is going to be a no for me, dog. It's strange that this is being pushed on this channel because this ICO seems to contain several elements that the Cliff report warned about. No bueno. No good. You got it, bud. Come on. He's in damage control. Good old Snippy. We've got him here, folks. So I'm going to finish up the video, guys, with a link down below in the Show More tab because some of you traders have mentioned that you don't have a trading platform that has live quotes on it. So this is a free link. It's you can see the link up above there, bats.com. So I'll leave the link for this, and all you got to do is enter whatever stock you want in the top right hand corner, hit the search, and you'll get the top 5, the ask and the bid. So that'll help you a little bit to assess if there's a heavy seller as you're about to get in. So at this point here, I'm still waiting here to hopefully she'll have a pullback. And I would expect it to possibly come back here to that 1517, 1514 area. And then I'll be looking to get back in. Anyways, congratulations to everyone that got in that Snapchat, and you're all waiting for that 1454 breakout. I'm kicking my ass. I'm telling you, I'm so disappointed that I walked away from my desk this morning and walked over to the bank and walked back home only to find out that the damn thing had launched out. Anyways, congratulations to everyone. And again, I'll leave the link down below in the Show More tab of this video so you can bookmark this book viewer and use it to keep track of the different exchanges and how many buyers and how many sellers and what the sizes of their shares that they're looking to sell. This is kind of important. So when we had the first run up to 1535, there was a guy sitting up here with about 32,000 shares looking to dump. So it was pretty evident when she got up to that 1530 area, she'd be running into some problems. Anyways, I'll leave the link down below for this one, and just remember that you got to click here between the different exchanges. The biggest one is ADGX. All right, guys, congratulations. Okay, I almost forgot. So in last night's show, if you go check the comments down below, I pinned a comment from myself asking you folks if you'd run into this problem, have encountered this problem. It showed up roughly about 6-7 days ago where I noticed I could no longer thumb down videos. So I posted a comment in last night's show asking you if you'd run into the same problem. And I noticed one subscriber has already said, yes, I noticed roughly about 4 or 5 days ago, he could no longer thumb down videos. So I'm about to do a test here right now. What I'll do is I'll refresh the page one more time right in front of you to make sure. Okay, so it's gone down. He's got another thumbs down here. Let me just refresh it one more time. So I want you folks to see this. Okay, so we're at 73. I'll thumb it down. There's my 74. Now I'll refresh the page immediately. And there you go. So I'm not sure how many of you have run into this problem, but this is what I've encountered. Watch, I'll refresh it another time. It'll stay at 73, but it'll show it's darkened out like as if I did thumb it down. Watch, here we go. There we go. Told you. So I'm not sure how many of others out here on YouTube have run into this problem, but I have definitely noticed this was about 6 days ago where I had lost the ability to thumb down videos. It'll show that I'm thumbing it down, but my thumb down doesn't mark. Anyways, no big deal. Like I said, they are chewing him up right in his own comment section. So this is, you know, like you can't ask for any better than that, you know. Extend the pre-sale bonus. Yeah. Anyways, good luck, guys.